girls, so we're going to show you how we're going to transform this tabletop. So right now, this is the original tabletop that it came with. It has a little bit of candle mark. We're going to put sticky overlay that we had custom made for a serpentine table. This is how it looks. Nice and shiny.
Well, basically, I'm just trying to measure up to make sure I lay it down properly. Center. And what I'm gonna do at the back here, it's a sticky adhesive. So basically I'm just gonna peel it off and stick it right to this existing tabletop in frame.
That's the film. So that's a sticky part there. We're just gonna line it up. The existing one. And this actually sticker is so forgiving because we took this one off maybe like 5 times because we want it to be leveled properly. Nice clean transformation. So instead of buying a whole new table, you just put the sticker on top. So then we have another chair to go there. It's gonna have to unwrap it, and then it'll be basically done. I have the centerpiece on the top and we're finished. So we completed the look. This is with the throne chairs and head table. We added these chargers on top. The centerpiece. And then we go right over into the balloon area. Happy birthday that lights up. And these blends will be for the cake. And then we're just getting the 360 photo booth set up right here. We have the red carpet, and then this is just a view of the room. Alright guys, talk to you later. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for my next video. Talk to you soon. Stay blessed.